There are 1.1 million children in Florida that suffer from food insecurity.
The food insecurity rate in Orange County is 17%. This equates to almost 235,000 people.
So if you don't know what food insecurity is, it is the disruption of nutrition and food patterns caused by a lack of financial resources.
Since 2015, Feeding Children Everywhere has completed over 126 projects and packaged over 4 million meals here in Orlando.
Come join us. Come join us.
Come join us
Join us. Pack 55,000 meals.
on November 21st at the Lakehouse at Lake Nona.
Starting at 4:30 and meal packing beginning at 5.
I'll be there.